going on, world? Thank you for like, comment, and subscribing. Please make sure to turn on notifications for all future videos. Back here, finishing up a clean out. So got a bunch more to grab. These are all breakdowns or pallets that me and my guys have to rebuild as my organization down in my yard takes shape. As our system grows, we're building more and more pallets each day. It's been pretty amazing, you know, with very limited resources and just, you know, a really refined system. Some days we're able to rebuild as many as 1,000 pallets. You know, we're averaging about 700 a day getting rebuilt right now. It's a little bit more than a tractor trailer's worth. And you mix in the drivers that I have dropping off to the contract and all the other aspects, you know, we can start pushing ourselves to that $25,000 to $30,000 a week level, and that's all going to be documented. So anyone that wants to get mentored directly by myself and my other leaders, documentation beats conversation. You know, we're actually actively building the business, actively out in the field. You guys have been seeing it now for well over a year on my channel. Everybody that follows me on Instagram, you've been seeing the lives and everything else going down for months and months now. And I repeat, documentation beats conversation. So send me an email, shoot me a DM, let's lock in. Help you guys to get trained, help you guys to get out into the field. You know, and I'm there every step of the way. So I look forward to helping you guys to make this year and next year the best years of your life, teaching you guys this trade that has changed my life and the life of so many others. So love you guys, look forward to helping you. See you soon. Peace and love.